Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhaziq bin Muhammad Aizal. Today I with my friend Muhammad Imran gonna explain about PBE 3 PSPD. So question 1, based on figure 1, identify and explain the following elements in the programming code given. So A, command. So we can see here command is you can see the symbol slash symbol double and then program to display personal information. So we know each command because it have symbol, the slash symbol. So B, preprocessor directive is hashtag include. So hashtag include is the preprocessor directive. Right, so for C, standard header file is bracket IO stream. So but because it's given on the figure 1, so we just need to identify, right? So for main function is int main in bracket, outside bracket I mean. So for E, reserve word, standard and user defined identifier. So for standard we got int, secondly char character, and then the third one namespace, the fourth is using, and the next is return. So next, for user defined identifiers is firstly main, and then name, and then add, and then color and current underscore year, birth underscore year, and the last one is age. So for F identifier, constant and variable, we got current year equal to int, birth year equal to int, age equal to int, name equal with char, add equal char, color equal char. So for the G special symbol, we got slash, backslash. Second one we have dash, and the third one is bracket, like parenthesis. So for H punctuation, first one we got the double comma, single question mark, and then semicolon for the second, and the third one is colon. For I statements, we got statement firstly name in bracket 20, add in bracket 20, and then color in bracket 20, and then current year, and the last one is birth year. So for J, blocks. Block is a symbol for an opening statement and closing statement. And the second one is in bracket, etc, etc. That's it. So that's for number 1. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imran bin Muhammad Ridwan Rajadran. My number matrix is 01DDT22F2053. So today I'm gonna present to you about construct a pseudocode and flowchart based on the given programming code. So based on figure 2, there has a pseudocode and flowchart. So what is the meaning of pseudocode? A pseudocode is an artificial and informal language that helps programmer to develop an algorithm. Pseudocode is a text-based, which means algorithm design tool. The rules of pseudocode are reasonable, straightforward. All statements showing dependency are to be indexed. This include while, do, for, if, switch. So based on the pseudocode that I has already made, in the first line, you must start with start, and the second line is input duration, comma, basic fees. The third line is extra underscore fees equal to 5, and the fourth. So the fourth line of pseudocode is if in the column duration bigger than 8. The next is fees equal to basic underscore fees plus in the column duration minus 8 multiple with the star symbol, extra underscore fees. Next is else, then fees equal to basic underscore fees. The next line is and if, and input out in and output in the single quotation mark fees, and the last one is n. So based on the pseudocode that I had do in my word is I'm using the if else statement, and also got a start and end. So based on the flowchart that I has already sketched in my word is, as you can see, there is a file type of symbol, which is the first is oval, the second line is arrow, and the third one you can see the input output shape, and the fourth one is a process shape, and the last one is a diamond shape, which is decision. Okay, so the function, each symbol has their own function, such as like the first one is oval symbol, which mean that symbol you must put either start or end, that's all. And then the function is an oval is represent a start or end point. Okay, next is arrow. So the function of arrow is a line that shows relationship between a representative shape. So every what we call every row of the shape, you must put in the between of two shape, you must put the line, which mean the arrow. Okay, next is input output shape. So the function of input output shape is a parallelogram represent input or output. So in that shape you can only put the input or output statement in that shape only. So next is a process, which mean the rectangle symbol. So the function is a rectangle represent a process. So in the rectangle shape you can only put the process statement only. And the last one is a diamond shape. So the diamond is for decision, which means you can, in the diamond shape you only need to put the decision either yes or no, true or false, like that. So the function is a diamond indicate a decision yes or no, true or false, and etc. So based on the flowchart that I have sketched, as you can see, in the oval shape, first I put start and the arrow between the input shape and the oval shape is what is it? Is a quotation mark. In the quotation mark, I put enter basic underscore fees, and under that get basic underscore fees. After finish the input box, to the next input box you must also put the arrow. Then you can put quotation mark, enter basic underscore fees, same like that. You can put get basic underscore fees. So next you also must put arrow in the between of process shape and input output shape. In the process shape, I put extra underscore fees, back arrow -5, which means is lower than -5. So next, after that, I put the decision shape in the rectangle. So in the rectangle symbol, I put if duration bigger than 8. So as you can see, there is a two line, which means it separate to yes or no. So if we go to yes, a moment. So if we go to yes, it will go to fees lower minus basic underscore fee plus in the column duration minus 8 stars, which mean multiples, extra underscore fee. So if it go to no, it will go fees lower than minus basic underscore fees. So after that, in the output shape, I put display and quotation mark. I put put fees, and the last one in the still in the oval shape, I put n, because that is the last symbol that has in the flowchart. So I think that's all. Thank you.